Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I have a quick video to share with us. Biafran Liberation Army Commander have a very important message to share with us concerning the upcoming Biafran declaration, which will take place in Finland this October 2024. So this update is very important for all Biafrans and lovers of freedom. It is very good that you hear what he has to say. Yes, you may not agree with him, you may agree, but the most important thing is that the information will be released and be given out, so people who will make use of it will also understand what he's trying to say and where he's coming from. Let's hear him. I will be right back.
Pain them, I see they pain them, or more, it go they sweet us.
I don't know if you can hear
You know,
him.
one funny thing about us is that
Okay.
we will tell you our plan ahead of time so that you will try your possible best. I really want you to know that, as I said before, that the time of too much long talk have gone. And this time around, if we get time like this, we make it very brief. October. We will tell you our plan ahead. This is what we plan. You remember when you started this war, I told you, don't start what you cannot finish. Choose the peaceful way and then let peace reign. There is no way you will come to the land of Biafra to kill us. It will not be done. That you have killed us already. Now we are telling you the truth. That October, so that all the demon, all the power, all the forces, the darkness will gather and see if they can stop us. That is how we roll. October. We call it Pentagon. Octagon to say, sorry. We call it Octagon. If you're a mathematician, you know Biafra is all about mathematics. We are the legion, the ghosts you can never withstand. The spirit that torments you, that is who we are. Have I not told you before you came? Have I not told you before you came? I've told you that time concerning this Biafra. And now that we are back, we must possess every piece of land that belongs to us. Every piece of land that belongs to us, we must possess it, because that is what make you kill us. That is why we die for. And we are back to proclaim it. We are back to possess it. We are back to take it, either in peace or in pieces. Which means, whether you agree or you don't agree, Biafra must be restored. Yes. Biafra must be restored. You don't have option apart from one. Let's go of Biafra. The force of power holding things is it have been taken away from you. So that thing will just walk away free. That is exactly what will happen to you. Hold Biafra tight. I will see go freely. Dialogue in the way of referendum and at least save your life. But I know you quite well. Islam and Muslim, they believe in violence. And this time around, we are going to tell them that we will take Biafra by violence. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Hey, we are coming. Believe us, we are coming. It's just a matter of time. As I say, October, Octagon. It's not going to be. It's not far. It's not far. Don't think it's far. It's not far. Gather all your forces together. Let us consume them once and for all. That is our aim. We want to consume you once and for all. we say everything in Nigeria will be destroyed if they did not let Biafra go. You think we were joking? Where are your fighter jets? Where are your armored tanker? What you are doing now is to be going and kidnapping innocent citizens of Biafra. In the area, you know, we cannot engage you because there are so many residents there. And that is what gives you that privilege. But it will not be long. It will not be long. Believe you me. It will not be long. You will not even see road again. Any road you enter, you will appear in the forest where we will use you to do sacrifice. Any road you will enter, any village you will enter, you will disappear from that village and you will find yourself in the forest where we go catch you and use you do. Yes, it will not be long. You know the way we roll. I will tell you what is about to happen. One idiot known as deputy, I don't even know, say before the release of Nnamdi Kanu, Southeast must obtain peace and security. I beg, I need the full details of that idiot. Please, whosoever that can give me the full detail of that idiot. Where his family live, his own town, we need the full details. He will explain to us if Southeast were not at peace when before them bring Python down one. Were Southeast not at ease before them bring Python down two? Were Southeast not at peace before them bring Python down three? And Crocodile Smile? Were Southeast not at peace before them go kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya? Were Southeast not at peace? Were Southeast not at peace? You don't shock una now. It shock you. Your plan was if you kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra struggle will die up. You are mistaken. He told you that he has even the most dangerous person, Simon, appear. The same way you are planning against Simon, and I'm telling you that if you succeed in having Simon, which you will not able, you will see the monster that will destroy you in just 2 weeks. 14 days. 14 days. He will tumble everything. Monsters are waiting. Monsters. Not one. 1,000 monsters. Sorry. 1,000 monsters are waiting. Let's see whether you can have your life back in the next 3 months. You know, we do not threaten. When we make promise, we fulfill it. I'm only here to tell you one thing and one thing alone. And do you know that? You can't stop us. We are unstoppable. We are the spirit you killed so many times ago, many years ago. And we are back to restore that which is rightfully belongs to us. This is the portion whom Chukwu Abiyama, the creator, gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. And it will be a disgrace for us not to hand over this piece of property, piece of land to our children. And that is why we have taken an oath. Not just to hand over it to our children to be humiliated, destroyed, and killed, kidnapped the way you did to our father, the way you did to us. But we have vowed that before we will hand over this piece of land to our children and our children on board, that we will make sure that your presence will be long gone. There will be no presence of Fulani. There will be no presence of Yoruba. And then we will hand over this land to our children in peace, where they will live in peace. worshiping Chukwu Kikabiama, the Creator, respecting their ancestors without any kidnap or killing or intimidation of any, which means for us to achieve that, Biafra must be restored and Nigeria must be destroyed. Because for every life to be given, life must be taken. Do you understand what it means? You are not in the spirit. And I do not expect you to understand. Biafra must born and Nigeria must die. So therefore, you will now understand what we are doing, and why we are doing what we are doing. Because without Biafra, our children's life is at risk. Without Biafra, there is no hope for humanity. More especially black race. Without Biafra, darkness will keep growing and growing. And that is why we have taken it upon ourselves to return back to nowhere. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. So therefore, I wish all the Biafrans in the homeland to prepare. I have been telling you to prepare. Gather something around your side. Don't just die as a coward. Defend your life. Because at the end, Biafra must be restored. Freedom is not cheap. Freedom is not given. Freedom is taken, and is taken by force. So, a child that does not know that fire can burn will always like to play around the fire until when the fire burn the child. At that time, he will fear. Nigeria, you don't know what is coming. Believe you me, what is coming, none of you will escape. And that is why we announce ahead of time that October is where you will experience your highest day. David tell Goliath, I am coming for you. He choose the day. It's so day. Hey, wait for me. Your head will be filled with the fowl of the head. And Goliath thought it was a joke until that day. October. I call it Biafra Octagon. Or you might turn it the other way around. Octagon Biafra. Biafra Octagon. Octagon Biafra. October. Gather your plan to stop us. But we have told you our demands. You know our demands. And that is why none of you come again and say, what do we really want? You know what we want. You cannot ask that question again. I appreciate that no journalist came up again to say, we don't know what these people want. No. You know what we want. The same way one idiot from Fulani tribe come up and say, this Boko Haram bandits, they need you to build hospital for them. They need you to build school for them. People that forbidden school now want you to build school for them. So you will not say that you don't know what Boko Haram wants. They want everybody to become Islam. But it cannot happen over our watch. So you know what we want. What we want is Biafra. What we need is Biafra. What we die for was Biafra. And what we are still dying for is Biafra. What make you to prison us, kidnap us, is Biafra. And we need nothing more than this Biafra. And if you think you can stop us, as I always say, step forward and try your luck. Yes, it is a challenge, Biafra. If you think you have that power to stop this honorable quest to restore Biafra, step forward. Just the same way our supreme leader tell you. Just mention it, say, over your dead body with Biafra come, and see whether you last reach 3 months, which is 90 days. And many of you who have been saying it have been having results. You are no longer saying it again. But I'm telling you now again, if you know you have what it takes to stop the restorations of this kingdom of God known as Biafra, step forward. oppressor will never agree you to step out free because he's benefiting from you. You must break yourself loose and apply. For you to break yourself loose from, you must apply some certain power that will overrun your oppressor. And that is exactly what we are about. Gather weapon around you. It is for self-defense. If you don't just want to die like a coward. But the only hope and assurance I'm giving you this very morning is that at the end of this fight, Biafra will be free. Because this is the land of our ancestors. Believe you me, we go nowhere. Not even an inch. Not even an inch. As our Prime Minister told them, if they did not do the needful, we will claim and claim and claim even their own piece of land. We will also have possession of it for some years. They thought we are joking. No, wait, wait, we are coming. We call this year 2024 Biafra Octagon. Let's see what will play out of it. It is a beautiful morning once again in the land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra. As I said before, it is not a time for long talk. It's just a brief so that you can get it, share it, and invite people to like it. Yeah, that is how we roll. October is very coming. I want you to get prepared. I want you to get prepared. You have been seeing things, but one funny thing is that Nigeria, okay by it, it's not of our problem. None of our problem. We are okay by it. But please, if you have a brother or a sister or a friend or a colleague in army, do care to find out if they are still alive. But if they were sent to the land of Biafra, also known as the land of the ghosts, know that they have already joined the underworld. No two ways about it. Men, we call them the living dead, because very soon they will join their colleagues in underworld. From me, from this beautiful land of the rising sun, it is still good morning. As I always say, that those who came for the good of the land, today is our fault. They will be favored in all their doings. But those who came for the evil of the land, Alpha will destroy them. The same way they have been destroyed others. Saboteur will never survive it. It is written that the land of Biafra is holy, and no saboteur will enter it. So shall it be. Remain blessed and remain focused the same way we are. It is your brother from the battlefield, from me, from the land of the rising sun. It is still good morning. So,
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. You have heard it all from the commander. Tell me what you think on the comment section, because this message is quite interesting. He breaks down a lot of things and advised the people of Biafrans and even Nigerian authorities on what to do, on how to restore peace and make everybody to have a freedom and live peacefully. What do you think about his message? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment and share. C0mmander. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day guys. Bye bye for now.